హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు మై ఛానల్స్. ఈరోజు మనం వచ్చేసండి మదీనాలో ఉన్న గాడ్ గిఫ్ట్ మార్కెట్లో. సో మిలన్ హై ఫ్యాషన్స్లో ఇది వచ్చేసి మనకి హోల్సేల్ షాప్ ఇది. సో వీళ్ళే రీటైల్గా కూడా అమ్ముతారు. మనకి హోల్సేల్ ప్రైజెస్ రీటైల్ ప్రైజెస్ అనేవి కంప్లీట్ సపరేట్ ఉంటాయి, రెండు ఒకటి సేమ్ ఉండవు. సో హోల్సేల్ వచ్చేసి మనం సెట్ వైస్ తీసుకోవాలి, బల్క్గా తీసుకోవాలి. మనం ఇంటి దగ్గర సేల్ చేయడానికి కానీ షాప్స్కి కానీ దేనికైనా సరే చాలా చాలా మంచి ప్రాఫిట్ అనేది మనం సంపాదించవచ్చు వీళ్ళ షాప్లో తీసుకుంటే. సో వీళ్ళ దగ్గర మోడల్స్ అనేవి నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోడల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, అవన్నీ ఇప్పుడు మనం చూద్దాం. అలానే ఒకవేళ మీకు హైదరాబాద్ వెళ్ళడం కుదరదు, మాకు డెలివరీ కావాలంటే కొరియర్ కూడా చేస్తారండి. అది కూడా ఎక్కువ మొత్తంలో తీసుకోవాలి మీరు. సో సింగిల్ పీసెస్ అనేవి కొరియర్ అనేవి చేయరు. సో ఇప్పుడు కంప్లీట్గా వీడియోలో చెప్పే కాస్ట్ అంతా కూడా హోల్సేల్ కాస్ట్. రీటైల్గా మీకు కావాలంటే డైరెక్ట్ షాప్కి వెళ్ళి కొనుక్కోవాలి. దానికి సపరేట్ సెక్షన్ ఉంటుంది వీళ్ళ షాప్లో. సో సపరేట్ రేట్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు వీడియోలో చెప్పింది కంప్లీట్ హోల్సేల్ రేట్. ఈ రేట్కి అయితే రీటైల్గా వాళ్ళు సింగిల్ పీసెస్ ఇవ్వరు. సో వాళ్ళకి మార్జిన్ అంటూ ఉంటుంది. సో ఒకవేళ మీకు తెలియకపోతే మీరు ఎంత మార్జిన్ వేసుకోవాలనేది కూడా వాళ్ళే చెప్తారు. సో వీళ్ళ దగ్గర లెగ్గిన్స్, షూనీస్, టాప్స్ అన్నీ కూడా అవైలబుల్ ఉంటాయి. మీరు బల్క్గా తీసుకుని సేల్ చేస్తే మీరు మార్జిన్ అనేది మంచిగా వేసుకుని అమ్ముకోవచ్చు. సో మీకు సరిపడే అన్నీ ఉంటాయి.
Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Asim from Milan High Fashion, and first I will explain you my shop address. Okay, we are located in Old City Medina Market, main High Court Road. When you come on High Court Road, there is a Shadab Hotel landmark over there. Near to Shadab Hotel there is a petrol pump. Opposite petrol pump, when you see, there is a big board, red color, Milan High Fashion. That is the only our building. Okay, and we are the wholesalers of top, leggings and dupatta. Only 3 items we sell. And other thing is that you will get only wholesale. Okay, online service only wholesale. Retail, if you want single piece personal use and everything, there is a separate retail section, but that you have to visit compulsory to the store to check out the varieties. And if you want for wholesale, minimum 5,000 compulsory you have to buy. Minimum 5 set compulsory you have to buy. I will give you my phone numbers, details, wholesale department, everything I will give you at last. We are available from Monday to Saturday, morning 11:30 a.m. to evening 9:30 p.m. Many of them customer call at morning 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, but it is not possible for us to receive the call because our calls and phones will be at our store only. So before shop open, it is not open to us respond also. So please, when you call, check the time and call. Okay, thank you. Every item I will show you small glance, because if every item I show, the video will be too much long, and only few of them item I will show the price to get you an idea. This is approx 125 rupees. In this you will get many designs in this, many different prints in this. In this you will get 120, 125, many range in that. This is also 125. In this you can see different necks, prints available. This is pure cotton fabric. You won't get any kind of problem in this. From now I am showing from 125 to 200 variety first. In this you will get many prints, little bit designs and work over up down. Every item I am showing you one piece, so that I have to cover many items. So in a few minutes I can cover many items. That's why I am showing you few glance of these items. This is for 145 rupees. Daily you will get a design will be changed, daily designs will be changed. If you say after 6 months, 2 months that you want same, it's not possible for us to also give. Daily you will get new, daily you will get new designs. This is a glance so that you can get an idea of variety range. This is for 175 rupees. In this you will get 175 to 205 many prints, work, designs. This is the one most of the highest selling design. This is the iconic brand, and you will get our store only. This is our personal manufacturing. In this, whatever iconic you see in the market, this is our brand only. Every item you will get 4 piece color compulsory. Rayon fabric, 2-tone gold print will be washable full. This is straight cut double XL. This is for 200 rupees only. When you come for the retail, you will ask for the same price. This is not possible. This you will get minimum 300 rupees in the market compulsory. and I will not say the prices of every item because our customer may be also watching this video, so we don't want to spoil anyone business. Now I am from 200 to 400 range I am showing you. This is approximate price, I will say you 225 rupees. In this you will get sizes also, if you want XL, double XL also available, and this you will get in different prints also. This is in pure denim fabric, full washable.
ये कितना भैया?
ये 285 rupees मैम. This is silk fabric. This is for 275. In silk also you will get from 275 to 395 all range.
ये कितना है?
285 rupees मैम.
285.
In this many range, many variety you will get. This is a glance. So I am showing a glance of every item. In this item you will get M, L, XL, double XL, 4 size 4 piece. Other than the item which I showed you, you will get XL different set, double XL different set. This is called combo set. In this, like this, you will get one piece for M, one piece for L, one piece for XL, one piece for double XL. Yes, but colors will be same, sizes will be 4 size, like this set. For approximate I am showing. This is for 300 rupees.
300.
Pure rayon, 14 kg rayon plus handwork.
Okay.
About to 400, 500 and yeah. Okay. This is also iconic item. Our personal own manufacturing item only.
Iconic
Personal brand. In this many items you will get it. Bell sleeves item. In this many time you will get work change, sometime this change, sometime you will get print, sometime you will get handwork. Everything will be different many time. Every day you will get no creation. This is a sample, just customer to get a glance. This type customer will get variety. This is also one of the highest most selling item. This one is also iconic item only. XL and double XL. Now both sizes are available in this. In this you will get a belt also. ये 350 का है मैम. Yes. When you compare the quality also, it will be also good, fine. Customer can roughly use it. This one also iconic. In 70 to 80% customer won't get variety to see in the market also, because of the most of the items are our production, monopoly items. And this is the jacket. Separate removable jacket.
ये कितना है?
340 का है मैम ये.
340.
हाँ, अब कस्टमर कंपेयरिंग रिटेलिंग में वो जाएंगे तो मिनिमम 450 to 500 मिलेगा, और कस्टमर को पे करना है. कस्टमर बोलेंगे हम इसमें इतने में देखें तो पॉसिबल नहीं है. उनका शाप, उनका खर्चा, उनका सब लगा हुआ है. ये आप देख सकते हैं आइटम इतना ब्यूटीफुल है. हैंड्स पे भी है. अभी जो प्रेजेंट चल रहा वो वन ऑफ द हाईएस्ट एंड रेगुलर रिपीटेड आइटम है. ये भी हमारा मोस्ट रिपीटेड रेगुलर आइटम है. इसमें कई कलर्स मिल जाएंगे आपको. 4 कलर्स, फोल्डेड स्लीव्स आएंगे. इस टाइप का ये फोल्ड होता है.
ये कितना है?
ये 340 का है मैम.
340.
अब कस्टमर जैसे एग्जांपल लेता है तो 450 to 500 में इजीली सेल होता है. ये आइटम
रिटेल
कंपलसरी होता है, क्योंकि हमारे जो कंपेयरिंग ब्रांड्स में हम जो आइटम सेट करते हैं 500 600 का आइटम सीधा हम लोग 350 340 400 के अंदर बिलो लाते हैं. तो कस्टमर को क्वालिटी भी मिलता. आप देखो पूरा पीस है, फुल डबल पीस है विथ लाइनिंग. सो क्वालिटी भी है और प्लस कस्टमर को प्रॉफिट और मार्जिन भी हमारी आइटमों में अच्छा मिलेगा. ये कस्टमर को एक बहुत बड़ा बेनिफिट है, और कस्टमर को वैरायटी भी देखने नहीं मिलेंगी मार्केट में. जैसा ये भी हमारी जैकेट आइकॉनिक की है. ये भी सेम 340 है. हैंडवर्क है, पूरा जैकेट है. ये ब्लैक एंड रेड कॉम्बिनेशन में ही आती है. सो ये भी वन ऑफ द हाईएस्ट सेलिंग है. ये अभी इसमें अवेलेबल है. इसमें हम लोग कई आइटम में क्रिएशन चेंज करते रहते हैं. इसमें अभी ये जस्ट कल ही बन के आई इसमें। हाँ, ये है इम्पोर्टेड फैब्रिक पे, जेंटलमैन फैब्रिक है, हैंड से, कपड़ा जॉर्जेट से भी बेटर है। और ये अंदर 2 वे लाइनिंग भी रहता है इसमें, यानी बनियन का जो फैब्रिक आता है वो फैब्रिक की लाइनिंग है। अब देख सकते जितना भी स्टॉक यहाँ पे है यही है, बाहर भी पड़ा है। अभी गोल्ड बॉर्डर प्रिंट है, ये बहुत क्लास आइटम है, पूरा हैंड वर्क है इसमें। नीचे बॉर्डर ये 350 के आस ऊपर की रेंज है, 350-355 का पीस है वो। ये सिल्क का है, ओरिजिनल सिल्क, प्लस ऊपर लाइनिंग आएगा और ये पूरा हैंड वर्क आएगा। ये 395 के आसपास का पीस है। ये रियोन घेरा, स्ट्रेच लूज, इसमें अभी एक्सेल, डबल एक्सेल एंड 3XL 3 साइजेस भी अभी अवेलेबल है। नेक्स्ट रहेंगी नहीं रहेंगी इसके रिलेटेड कुछ भी आपको नया मिलेगा।
कितना? ये
350 का एक्सेल डबल एक्सेल है। ये कम रेट की है, 300 के बिलो की है, 250 के आसपास की है। नीचे बताया नहीं था इसलिए बता रहा हूँ। आइटम ये भी रेगुलर हिट है। ये अपनी कुर्ती इसका फ्रॉक स्टाइल का अभी पूरा आ गया। मैं अभी आपको इसके बाद इंडो वेस्टर्न बताऊँगा, स्ट्रेट कट, प्लाजो सेट एंड फीडिंग सब बताऊँगा आपको। सो ये अभी ये कंप्लीट द आइटम विच ऑल आर आई एम शोइंग दिस आर ऑल अ ग्लैंस। Many customer from January video they see and come in November and ask for this item. This is not possible because daily creation change. Many customer come from Karnataka, Kerala for this one single item, but I will say you that you can get a related item but not same because daily item changes, ma'am. These are Indo-Western item. Okay, these items are from 225 to 35 to 300 rupees. First I will show you, then above 300 I will show you. So these are about 250, 240, 260, 275, 295. Belt plus most of the item you will get a 2-way inner. And basically Indo-Western customer will get size M, L, XL, double XL mostly. Like it is you are seeing this size is an L to XL. It can easily fit for them. Jacket style item. One of those, this is the highest selling item. So these are basically on rayon and Toco fabric it comes. So I am showing you a mini glance. In this you will get many other variety also, jacket style, and this one is for 200 rupees just. This one also related to this jacket models. These are 200 to 300. In this you will get a many more, much range also available in this. I am showing a just glance. This one are about 300 rupees. In above 300 you will get a little bit funky items with a double piece, quality, fabric, everything will be standard. And mostly in this heavy range you will get imported fabric also much. This one imported jacket. Top. Imported fabric, full stretchable.
ये कितने में है?
ये 395 का है मैम। इसके साथ बेल्ट आता। ये एक्चुअली पीस है ना, पहनने के बाद ही समझ में आता है ये पीस, क्योंकि पूरे फंकी लुक रहते हैं। जब पहनेंगे तो एकदम स्मार्ट वेयर और अच्छा पीस है। और ये बेसिकली 500 से 550, 595 में कस्टमर सेल कर सकता है। और कस्टमर भी को भी हमारे पास रिटेल में या कहीं भी मार्केट में रिटेल में ये रेट में मिनिमम मिलेगा, उससे नीचे पॉसिबल नहीं है वो। मैं आपको थोड़ा रेंज वाइज लेके चलता हूँ। ये भी आइटम बहुत फास्ट सेलिंग आइटम है।
వాట్సాప్లో వీడియో కాల్ చేసి మీ దగ్గర పర్చేస్ చేయొచ్చా భయ్యా?
పాసిబుల్ ఉంది, బట్ మినిమం యాజ్ ఐ సే 5000 మినిమం కంపల్సరీ. అండ్ ఆర్ వాట్సాప్ సర్వీస్ ఆల్సో అవైలబుల్. So in that we send the photos. Our website is there. We will send that website. That customer can see all designs which available. They can take a every day we update, morning or evening compulsory, daily we update on a website. Selling item. This we are converting next into cotton. ఇది 340 ఉంది. Next when we convert ఇందులో XL size వస్తుంది. Next when we convert into cotton, so you will get within 275 285 compulsory. This one is also very classic item. Sleeves and imported net and down rayon fabric. Here customer will get belt also. In this colors ये 375 का है मैम. इसमें रिलेटेड ये भी मिल जाएगा कस्टमर को और वेराइटीज़ भी आती है. मैं फुल स्ट्रेचेबल. ये नीचे का फैब्रिक भी इम्पोर्टेड है, ऊपर का भी इम्पोर्टेड है. ये 400 अबव की रेंज है.
400 अबव.
हाँ, इसमें भी और वेराइटीज़ कस्टमर को मिल जाएंगे. ये कपड़ा है ना एकदम रबर जैसा होता है. फुल स्ट्रेच. इम्पोर्टेड में भी हैवी फैब्रिक मिल रहता है. ये जैकेट आता है. आप पीस एक्चुअली जब पहनेंगे तो पीस इतना क्लास है. जैकेट आप कम खोलो, छोटा खोलो, एक्स्ट्रा खोलो या ओपन भी रखना है तो कस्टमर रख सकते हैं. इसका बेल्ट आता है. ये पूरा पीस शिफॉन का है. गाउन टाइप का आता है. ये पूरा पीस शिफॉन का. हाँ, वन पीस स्टाइल. इसमें डिफरेंट कलर्स मिल जाएंगे कस्टमर को. पूरा हैंडवर्क आएगा. ये इसका बेल्ट आएगा.
ये कितना भाई? ये
4 अबव का है. 450 460 ये रेंज का रहता है. ये हमारी वन ऑफ द ये हमारी पर्सनल आइटम ही है. ये वन ऑफ द हाईएस्ट सेलिंग आइटम है. ये टॉप आएगा. इसमें कलर चार्ट वाइट चार्ट दोनों बनाते हैं बट अभी मेरे पास वाइट चार्ट अवेलेबल है इसलिए वाइट चार्ट की मैं बता रहा हूँ. बाकी नेक्स्ट वीक में इसका कलर चार्ट भी आ जाएगा. इसका जैकेट. फिर हम लोग इसकी रेप्लिका बना के आज 495 में दे रहे हैं. हाँ, कंपनी आज भी ब्रांड्स वालों के पास गए तो आज भी ये 695 का ही है बट उससे कम में आप लेके कंपनी के रेट में बेच सकते हैं हमारे पास. 3 आइटम स्ट्रेट कट के बता देता हूँ, 2-3 प्लाजो सेट के बता देता हूँ. This is for straight cut. In this customer will get from 200 225 to 400 rupees variety. So this one basically is for 295. This one is for 285 rupees. So for a small glance I am showing you. In this customer will get print, work and everything. I have showed a small glance to get an idea just. This one is a plazo set. Yeah. This one plazo set. In this customer will get XL and double XL both sizes. This is the plazo for that. ये 385 रुपीज़ का है मैम. 385. या इसमें 325 से स्टार्ट है. 500 600 तक का कस्टमर को प्लाजो सेट का वैरायटी मिलता है. ये भी जस्ट आप देख सकते हो उसके आसपास के प्राइस का ही है ये. और ये आइकॉनिक प्लाजो. ये हम लोग समझो दशहरे से हम लोग बना के बेच रहे हैं और वन ऑफ द हाईएस्ट सेलिंग प्लाजो सेट है. ये पूरा हैंडवर्क आएगा और इसका ये प्लाजो देखेंगे आप तो
कितना भैया?
ये 495 का है मैम.
495.
यहाँ अदर ब्रांड्स में आज भी इसका 500 अबव प्राइस है. हमारा प्राइस 495 है. ये सो नाउ आई एम शोइंग यू जंबो साइज 3XL 4XL 5XL and 6XL. Mainly till 5XL we have more range. In 6XL also you will get sometime. So this is the I am opening piece 48 chest 3XL. In this you will get 4XL 5XL also available in this. This one pure all handwork on this. Pure rayon fabric, rayon slip and your customer can use it rough use. These are mostly from 300 to 500 range. So in this I will not open any item of price in this particularly. These are frock models. You will get many item related to this in straight cut also. Few item I will show you straight cut item also in jumbo size. Gold print all handwork on this.
कितना?
ये 400 above मैम.
400
अब जी
ट्रिपल एक्सेल
ये 5XL है 52
5XL
चेस्ट 52 चेस्ट इसमें 3XL 4XL 5XL सब मिलता इसमें मोस्टली जैसे ये आइटम है ना इसमें 3XL का सेट डिफरेंट आता 4XL का डिफरेंट आता 5XL का डिफरेंट आता और जैसा ये आइटम है ये कॉम्बो रहता 1 piece 3XL 1 piece 4XL 1 piece 5XL so both type of varieties come in this jumbo size. This one is also 3XL. This one is basically for 385 rupees. 3XL size. In this you go for double XL or XL. When it comes, it will be minimum 35 to 40 rupees less. This one straight cut. I am showing you in 3XL, 4XL, 5XL. In this you will get many designs, prints plus handwork, embroidery, everything you will get. This I am showing for a sample. In this one more item, this one is also most hit item, 3XL. In this you will get approximately many designs in this.
ट्रिपल एक्सेल
3XL. In this you will get 4XL also, 5XL also. This one is a feeding. Feeding now I am having two items, so I am showing you two items. This one is an feeding. Your zip will become pure rayon heavy 14 kg. Okay. In this you will get many different prints. This is for 225 and this is for 200 rupees. When you go for retail you will get minimum 300 350 and you have to pay that. You go for retail you will get 300 350 compulsory and you have to pay that because of their expenditures, travel expense, everything is there. So please don't say that you saw there in 225 or 250 or 200. You have to pay extra. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. And other thing, if you want more variety, you want to see more range, you have to visit store so that you can see much ranges there, show that I didn't show in the video because I don't want to make the video much longer. So you will also stop the video and turn to another video if I make the more longer. So online service also number will be given on the screen and customer care number also I will provide on the screen, so you can contact easily. Thank you very much.
మార్నింగ్ 11:30 to
Morning 11:30 to 9:30 p.m. Monday to Saturday. Sunday we are off. We won't receive the calls also because the call system will be at store only. Thank you.